Greetings from Hackensack. It's Victor. Time for some fresh fish. Usually have fresh fish once a week, maybe twice a week. So tonight we're going to be cooking some Icelandic cod in this wonderful salsa from Whole Foods. It's roasted chipotle salsa, and it's a 365 everyday value line. The 16-ounce jar is under $3, and it's non-GMO. I'm going to start out sauteing some garlic until it's fragrant. So here goes the chipotle salsa. And I'm going to stretch this with a can of organic diced tomatoes. I have some black olives left over from another recipe. I chopped them up. And these are some organic mushrooms, which I rinsed under the faucet. What's great about these salsas from Whole Foods is that you can, just do it simply with salsa. You add some lemon juice, or you could go more elaborate like I did tonight with diced tomatoes and olives and mushrooms. So here's the Icelandic cod from Costco that I picked up today. $7.99 a pound. This is more than 1.5 pounds. Obviously, if you're cooking less fish, you use much less salsa here. You could probably use a half a bottle of salsa for half a pound of fish. And this is going to cook in about 5 minutes with the cover on. Doesn't take long at all. There are thicker and thinner pieces here, so I'll probably cook it for the full 5-6 minutes. You want to turn the heat up, put the cover on. I'm adding a little crushed red pepper for color. It's mildly spicy Aleppo pepper. And the salsa is also medium spicy. So it's been cooking for 5 minutes, and look at that beautiful fish. Puffs up. I'm going to have a nice thick piece here. So there it is, Icelandic haddock in salsa roja with mushrooms, black olives, garlic, a little red Aleppo pepper. Enjoy. Slight correction, that wasn't salsa roja, that was a roasted chipotle salsa, as I mentioned at the start of this video. Enjoy.